Morning all, well back to the workshop again. Today's job, another Audi V6 TDI 3 litre, running rough 5 cylinders maybe. I've got the diagnostics plugged in and there's nothing coming up on the ECU. It is reading the ECU but no faults, which I'm surprised for the MISFIRE. But what I'm going to show you, a test on the injectors while they're still in the car. So if you would like to see this, please subscribe to my channel, like and follow, and I'll show you in the next video. Cheers.